Welcome to another Forex forecast with Blue Pips Forex. I'm Francis, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about AudNzd. As usual, I'll be doing a full breakdown of the pair from the monthly time frame down to the daily time frame, showing the major levels of structures on all these time frames, and now I'm going to be trading around them this coming week, as the case may be. So, without waste of time, let's get down to the analysis. So, this is the monthly time frame on AudNzd, and what we can first see is that we have this um wedge pattern right here, and we can see that we had resistance at this point, we had support down here, then the price came close enough, came down to this level of support around here, back to resistance. We had two rejection of resistance. We had support at this area several times before the price came back here again. And from there, we can expect the price to at least get to the next monthly level of resistance down here. As you can see, this was the horizontal level of resistance we had on the market. You can see we had support here, we had support at this point, we had support and resistance at that point there, we had support back here. So this is actually an important level of structure to keep an eye on this pair. So with the price rejecting this area, we expect to see the price come down to support at 0347 over the next couple of months, as the case may be. You can also see that that area was support back here. We had support multiple times. We had support multiple times. So we can expect that in the long run, the price will test this support around there before probably coming down to the lower support. Also, from the monthly time frame, what we want to see is the price come down to support. From the weekly time frame, we have a market that started this downtrend right here. From here, we had impulse, we had the correction back up here. We had an impulse, we had the correction here. We had the last impulse. And when the price started its move up, we expected that the price will reject this area for a continuation lower. But as you can see, this week just closed. That's this particular weekly candle here, just closed back above that support, which meant we could not be looking for any short trade anymore. So right now the price is at resistance. Right here you can see that this area was resistance here, it was support at this point, and it has been key level of structure in the past. So that's actually somewhere to keep an eye on. So you can see that last week's candle just gave us a rejection of this candle right here. So with a rejection of this resistance right here, what we can expect is for the price to make it back to the next weekly level of support we have at this point right here. So you can see that that area too was support around here, and we had support here, we had resistance at this point, just at the choppy market around this area here. You can see that we had resistance at this point. So this is actually another important level to keep an eye on over the next few weeks, as the case may be. From weekly time frame, what we want to see is for the price to retest this 0571 level over the next few days or weeks, as the case may be. So on the daily time frame of AUDNZD, what we can see first of all is that we had this broadening channel right here, and you can see that from this area we had resistance here, we had support, and then we had resistance before they move back to this support at this low right here. So after this support, we had the price come back to resistance around there. You can see that for the last 3 to 4 days, the price has failed to close outside of this descending trend line right here. Instead, what we've been having has been rejection. You can see the first rejection with this candle right here. You can see the second rejection with this candle here. We can see the third rejection with this candle here. And you can see clearly that today's candle has started doing just the same thing. So from this area, what we would like to see will be a continuation downwards, just like we expect to see from the monthly and weekly time frame. So what we are going to be doing right here is to be watching out for the price action on the 4 hours time frame to pick a good entry, because if you've not already taken an entry from somewhere around there, then obviously you cannot be taking an entry now until you have extra confirmation for continuation lower, because on the 4 hours time frame you are going to see that the price is currently around support. Yeah, so you can see that this area right here is actually support. So you need extra confirmation before taking a trade if you've not already taken a trade from these eyes right here. So that's going to be all on this analysis with AUDNZD. If you enjoyed this analysis, do smash the like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel, click on the subscribe button. Also click the bell notification to enable you get our content whenever we upload a new video. Until we meet in the next video, do have a profitable week and happy holidays. Thank you. Goodbye.